snowfall accumulation. So we'll talk about that. We'll walk over to the Weather Center and show you from the sky. The roads are mainly wet, but we will track some areas of slushy accumulation as we go throughout the rest of the overnight hours throughout the day on Saturday. So we've got our snowman, and do you want to build a snowman tomorrow? Well, we've got just the thing for you, and it won't cost you a thing. We'll talk about the weather ingredients and what you can track with Saturday's snow. Temperatures tomorrow will be near freezing, so we're calling for a heavy wet snow. It's perfect for building a snowman or some snowballs, but it will be hard to shovel. So that is something that you do want to watch out for, especially for areas south and east of Philadelphia. We'll show you what's going on with Storm Tracker 6 live double scan radar. You can see the snow moving across areas in South Jersey. We'll go in a little tighter on street level with Storm Tracker 6. You can see some pockets of that snow for Cape May pressing into Sea Isle City in between the Garden State Parkway from Atlantic City and Sea Isle City. We have that snow that will continue to fall, and this will fill in from a southeast to northwest direction as we go throughout the rest of tonight and throughout the day on Saturday. Rain cooled air right now, or snow cooled air I should say, there in Cape May, coming in at 35, 38 in Philadelphia, 36 for Trenton and Beach Haven, 26 degrees in the Poconos, 34 for Allentown and Reading, 35 degrees out to the west there in Lancaster. Here is Satellite 6 along with Action Radar. What we are tracking is a frontal boundary. The same front that came through earlier in this week has moved offshore, and you could see that where that front is, we will be watching an area of low pressure that's going to develop along that front, and that will enhance some of that snowfall across our region. So Future Tracker 6 showing you later on tonight, 11 p.m. We've got that snow there in South Jersey, also into Delaware. As we get into daybreak tomorrow, that snow filling in along the I-95 metro area. It has yet to move into our northwest suburbs until we get into the mid-morning hours and right through the afternoon. But you notice by 1 o'clock, we're starting to find some mixing that will take place right across extreme coastal sections of New Jersey. So that will put a cap on some of the snowfall we see across those locations. But 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, the snow will start to taper from a west-east direction with just some leftover and lingering snow showers as we get into Saturday night. So expected snowfall just 1 to 2 inches for the Poconos down to Lancaster, but for the heart of our region, 2 to 4 inches for Philadelphia and the I-95 metro area, 4 to 8 inches across interior sections of South Jersey. So for Lakehurst, down into Hamilton, Bridgeton, Millville, even down into Dover, Delaware. But then again, 2 to 4 inches where we have that winter weather advisory right across extreme coastal sections of New Jersey. And again, that mixing is going to take place there. So we'll talk about what we can expect and why we've issued that AccuWeather alert. It's the first snowfall of the season, but some of the roads will be hard to travel on. So slow travel, especially along I-95 corridor and points to the south and east. It's going to reduce your visibility with that snow coming down. Slushy main roads and the secondary roads look to be snowy as well. The exclusive AccuWeather 7-day forecast showing you it's snowy and cold tomorrow, snowing for the majority of the day, a high temperature up to 34. In the wake of that on Sunday, wind chills in the 20s, even though the air temperature is saying 39. On Monday, we'll dry out, partly sunny, a high temperature up to 41. Rain and snow showers as we get into Tuesday, a high up to 42. Then in the wake of that front, an Arctic blast moves in by Wednesday, a high of just 30, 35 on Thursday, and next Friday, maybe more rain and snow that we're tracking with a high temperature of 38 degrees. So we've got the snow in the city tomorrow. Those higher snowfall accumulations south and east of Philadelphia. We'll update you guys throughout the day.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Melissa. A little something for everyone in Freebie Friday, but a little extra for bacon lovers coming up next.